Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a flashlight shortcut to your iPhone's home screen for quick access. Let's get into it. First, open Shortcuts app and tap plus to add a new shortcut. Then search Actions and type in Set Torch. You can rename it by tapping this tab and then rename. Let's name it Flashlight On. When you are satisfied, tap Done and then tap Done, and then tap in those three dots and tap Add to Home Screen, and this will add the shortcut to the home screen. And for the bonus, let's create a shortcut to turn the flashlight off. After you've saved the flashlight on shortcut, tap Done to return to the main screen, and then go into shortcuts again, and let's create a new shortcut. So in search actions, just type the same thing, set torch, but instead of turn torch on, set it for off. You can give this new shortcut a name like flashlight off and follow the same steps to add it to your home screen. Let's name it flashlight off and add it to the home screen. Then tap Add, and that's it. You're ready to use these two shortcuts. Now you have separate shortcuts to turn the flashlight on and off with just a tap. By the way, the shortcuts feature is available on iPhones running iOS 12 or later. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more cool iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.